Hello everyone, I have Milwaukee M12 wrench and the backward and forward button is, I think it's just broken, but still the wrench is not working, so I will try to disassemble it. Okay, taking out the armature, you can check the magnet. Yeah, I can feel the magnets all around. You can see how it looks, a lot of dots. We can open the housing, or we can try to open it. And I hope I have unscrewed all the screws. Yep, seems, yep. Okay. Got it out, and yeah, first of all, what we can see, it's really dirty. And what can we see now? Just we can see nothing, honestly. First of all, we need to wash it, and the pin for the direction change button is missing here, so that's why it's not changing the directions. Yep, it was something like that. The pin is missing, but first of all we need to wash it and check why it's not running. And I have the spare button from not working controller unit, probably the same model, and I will try to open the cover here. And what I want is this part. Check now if I can remove it or not. Okay, it just pops out, so maybe it's not needed to do nothing fancy. Okay, yeah, and they looks pretty the same. Now I need to get the pins into place and try to press it in. I think I have a small damage here, so I will fix it with the knife. Okay, now I need to align the pins and probably to press the button. Okay, press it in. Now I don't know if it's moving or not. Yep, it's moving backward and forward, so I will clean the tool and we'll be back for the assemble and test. And okay, just made a small clean of the housing controller and so on. Now I will install the hook, Captain hook. Okay, and all we want to do now is install the controller with the motor and so on. Just putting the ground or the minus connector to place. Here we have a place for the switch. Speed plate. Now I need to manage the grounding wire in a groove. Okay, and so we have the field. The field goes like this and seems leggy to me. Okay, our switch. Okay, needed to put the backward forward button and then the controller. Okay, now we can check if we can change the directions. Yes, a little bit hard, but we can change it. Controller seems to be good. The terminal looks good for me, so we can close it. Okay, it closes for the first time. Very nice. And yeah, of course the hammering case will be needed for this one. Yep. Just fits perfectly in. Now the battery terminal. Need to align it. Okay. Where's my drill? Okay, and now we can test it with a battery. Third one, nope. And the customer told that the battery is not working very good. Okay, the backward and forward switches are working. Yeah, it's some kind of battery problem. Okay, and yeah, that means we need to check the battery terminal, I think, and the battery itself, and I have borrowed my own battery so I can test, or maybe I have another battery. I will try to find it. Okay, have found another battery from other customer, and it seems that it's a battery fault. I want one of these. Maybe some Milwaukee representative or some manager are watching my videos and will donate it for me. Really nice. Okay. So we definitely have the problem with this battery, and I think I will open this battery in the next video. For now, this one is fully working. We have changed the reverse button, and just thank you for watching. Bye.